irrigation techniques, and also it is going to match with the awareness and the education, how you can make that to education. Then against it is going to look sustainability goals, as well as it's going to do envisions different metrics, around 46 or 64 nowadays. So it pick up which one is really attained to this one, and then it started to give you the idea. Now the good part of this one, you can even make the AI to come up with the ideas, but all the time you have to make sure that makes sense over there. But in addition, you can have your own ideas, input it over there, education wise and all the stuff. So after that, what you're going to have is action plan. So you have selected now based on the sustainability goals and the envision and the need analysis, you know what you are going to do, irrigation plans and the awareness and the education plan. Now it is going to, next thing is the action plan. That is going to take, okay, this is the, say you are going to have drip irrigation in a certain way. It is going to give you how to do the whole thing. One thing you have to look into this here, regulatory overview over there, it actually get the location and try to give what are the irrigation related regulatory thing, where you stand and everything. So that is a summary it gives it, but you have to sometimes look into that, is updated one. So then when you do that in the action plan, it gives you financial and scenario modeling. The financial one is not fully developed, so it's kind of, we have a very core how much expense, and you can even change for the climate cost, like a penalty, and you change it. And then the different strategies, it will go in detail, it will give what you do and everything. Go again, edit it if you need it, otherwise it is good, it goes with that. Then the good part of this is, it goes and look who is funding, who is giving the grant and everything related to that, USBR and a small thing, and it match another thing, give you a small write-up, what you want to, if you want to get it, what to write. But again, you go and look whether it's, you are writing in edited, then you can expand it. So this is, then at the end, when you click it, it go there, and it will give all of them in detail, one by one, and it will give the report for you to type it over there. So that's what it gives over there. So when you take it with the report, you can take as a PDF out, or you can take as a Word document out, but make sure you can edit it as you want after that for everything. So that is one thing over there. So I show that one, the whole explanation. So here are the one run model. Unfortunately, when I put this over quickly, I was too late. So the thing is, it didn't come clear. So over there. So anyone who's interested on that one, I mean, tomorrow I have it on my laptop, so I can run it and show it. This is the thing you will see. The first is actually you put a need analysis, how it enter, that will come. That is on that part. And this is the second part. You will choose it and everything. And actually, you will give the rating to which irrigation system is highly and everything. And then the third part, then the next one you come, this is the one you started to write the whole thing. So that is basically, it gives each of the action plan, very detailed, what you do and everything. But check it with your knowledge, make sure that is right, it is not ghosting you. That's the one thing you have to do it. And then you are going to do it is, these three actually choose, these are the things there you can use for your grant writing and everything. So that is summary, what you want to put it over there on that one. Then you have to develop that part. And then this is the final one, all the things summarized, all the steps and everything, to print it out. So that's it basically on that. So this is the hydro try. The other one is the farm-wise, as I said, it's a little larger one to look into that. Water, infrastructure, soil, and other things, environment, the whole thing. It is for small farmers, and what they do it is. This is also fully developed, so I can show anyone after that. So this is actually, this is the mind map for that one. What are the things it does over there, automation and everything. And when you give the report, it is who developed, for whom, and which version and everything, everything else. Give it out. And the APIs, again, here I used one, I have two versions. One I used the free API, another the paid API, so some advantage and other thing. This is what the other one is from EcoSeed. This is a larger one to do it for the economics, society, environment, and education development, the whole thing. What it does it actually on that one is, it can take IoT. So you give the data, so it is from your sensors, it take it inside and do analysis, and also give the farmers small short courses to take it develop, but again you have to edit it and keep it, and then they can give the feedback, and then you can enter it and the feedback, but you run it over there, that you can do it over there. So that's the one. That is this the mind map and what it run over there, because it has around 12 sections, but I told only 2. And the last one is Nexus Flow. This is for mainly I made it for looking what data centers issue, but it is given environmental other issues to noise and everything related to this. That is, it's going to get over there. So this is the mind map over there, and that is what it can do. Number of things. Only one slide over there. So as a conclusion, and this actually helps to do a number of things for the farmers, helping them to educate and sometimes to understand a little thing for them. But we can make it, tune it. If we try to, the good part is you can add more and more features, so it can be really